Hey guys, this is the Wednesday debt portion of the video. My income this week is $439.20. I got a $300 money order to go toward my rent and electric, and I put $99 toward Verizon.
Good morning,
now
good morning,
to
good
the
morning.
video.
It is Friday, April the 11th at 6:37 a.m. I know it's a little dark. I don't have all the lights on in here, but I'm on my way to do some Spark since I'm off today. So I want you guys to come along with me as I go out and do some Spark, and then I'll let you guys know how much I made today doing Spark. Hopefully it's busy, because I don't like to be out there when it's really slow. I feel like I'm just wasting time. So we're going to go out there, we're going to do Spark, and I'll come back later with how much I made, and also at the end of the video or at the beginning of the video I'll put Wednesday debt, what I paid on Wednesday, somewhere or either side, or come back with a little short clip of what I paid out on Wednesday. Anyway, guys, come along with me. Okay, guys, one just came through for, what was the price of that again? $14.40. So we're going to go ahead and take it. It's one house and two apartments. So let's go get it. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. I'm going to find a spot. We'll get spot 31 and just wait for her to, or him to bring the groceries out. All right, guys, I have my items, and the first one is an apartment, and we are going, let's see how far we're going. 7 minutes away. All right, let's get it. I think the lady, she saw the
head southeast
camera, and she was staring at it a little bit, but I won't video you, young lady. That's good. Delivery has been completed. I'm going to fill out with apartment, no access code. And the next one we're going to is a house, which is oh, 3 minutes away. Let's go. Let's go, guys. I remember before my mother died, not the last place she
Take
lived,
the next right
but
on Catherine Drive.
she lived out here in these apartments where I am now, and this is the place she stayed before the last place. But anyway, we're on our way to drop off this, so let's get it. Guys, we finished this one. And this house is pretty much on a busy street. Okay, there's no cars this time. So the next one is an apartment, which is 4 minutes away. So let's go. This said delivered to 329C. There's no 29C, but just 29. So I dropped it there. So we just picked up another order for $31.42. And that is for, okay. Oh no. I'm going over the water. Do I want to do that for $31? It says it's going to take me 56 minutes. It's like $31 an hour. And one off what it is, 2 homes and 1 apartment. The biggest, oh my God. Look at that. Let me see, how many, do they have any, a lot of waters? I think I'm going to just go ahead and do it. Get closer to my goal, because we out here to do what? We out here to get that rent paid down. So let's go get this order. I'm gonna go ahead and do it for $31.42, and we can do it in 56 minutes. Let's get it. Alright guys, we're going to the first delivery, which is a house, and it is the biggest order, which is great. They want it left in the garage. What? It said garage, then front door. Oh, drop off location is the garage. Okay, and we're going, it's 12 minutes away. Let's get it. Although we're going over the water, it's only 12 minutes away. So let's go. And I'm glad it's the biggest order first. I like getting the biggest order out the way first, and then start getting to the easier ones. Let's make it. Alright guys, this lady stays, I'm gonna say the Boondocks, but her house is crowded with leaves and trees in front of her yard, and there's no turnaround, so I had to back up all the way back. So now the next one, we're going to an apartment, and that one is, let me see, let me read the instructions. Okay, it's just telling me the name of the apartments and to ring the doorbell and then leave the food at the door. And this is, come on, how far are you? 5 minutes away. Let's get out this lady's yard.
Head east.
I have to go this way, because if you look at any of my videos, you guys will know
You should reach your destination by 8:28 a.m.
that I don't like houses that's on a busy street, nor
Take the next right
do
onto St. Catherine.
do I like, I don't like houses that's on busy streets, nor do I like houses that have those big ditches on both sides. And then I had to back up all the way back. And if you guys know me, I'm not very good at backing long distance, but I made my way out because I did not want to end up in a ditch in somebody's
Take the
yard.
next right onto Nelson Main.
So now we're on our way to do the next drop off, which is an apartment. Let's go. So sorry guys, I thought I had the camera on for you guys to see, but the camera was not even on. I'm out of breath now, going up the stairs. Now we're on our way to our next delivery, which is a house. And that is 14 minutes away. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Delivery has been completed. So now we're waiting for the next delivery. It's raining out here this morning, so still waiting on another order, but my plans to stay out here.
Take the second right onto Moon.
Yeah, my plans is to stay out here until I make at least $100. But I don't want to be out here if it's slow. I'm just, hanging around. I would like the orders to come back to back. So we'll see. But I am on the other side of the water. So maybe once I get on the other side, closer to the stores, orders will come through. But if not, I'm going to go ahead on back in. Because I thought at least today, because it's raining, people don't like coming out, so it'll be a little bit busier. And it's still the beginning of the month. It's almost the middle of the month, but not exactly the middle of the month. I think today is the 11th, but we'll see. We'll see what comes. I'll be back if I get another order. Okay, our order just came in for, what was it, $11.87. One drop off. It's going to an apartment. Let's go get it.
Turn right.
All right, guys, we are here at the Walmart in spot 1 and waiting for them to bring out the order. All right, pickup is complete, and this is a house we're going to, and it is, let me read the instructions. It said there are pink toys in front of the door, and my door has a screen net on it. Okay. All right, let's go. It is, how far is it? 13 minutes away. Let's get it. Delivery has been dropped off. I tried to knock on the door. I couldn't get to the screen. You're welcome. I tried to knock on her door, but she has that screen up there, and I couldn't get through. I couldn't find how to open it to knock on the door. But anyway, let's go drop this delivery, y'all. Well, let's try to get out of here first and wait for the next order. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call it quits for today. I've been driving for about 15 minutes and nothing came through, so I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close, even though it's saying it's busy, because by the app, by the graph, You can see, you see, we're saying it's busy. It's not even busy. So I'm gonna go ahead and log on off and go in the grocery store and get what I need out of there. Call it a day. It is raining, and go home and relax and get ready for tomorrow for work. Anyway, guys, you be blessed, and I will see you in the next video.